We have breaking news from northern Los Angeles County. That's where a massive brush fire continues to burn near Gorman.
It started over the weekend and exploded to more than 14,000 acres. KTLA's Andy Rose Ramos live in Gorman with the latest. Andy Rose, good morning.
Megan and Chris, good morning to you both. We are live here in Gorman, and overnight, as you very well know, this fire spreading even more exponentially, now nearly spanning over almost 15,000 acres, and at this point this morning only 2% contained. Over the weekend it has done massive amounts of damage, and we know this fire is fueled by wind. You can see it. I'm holding my hat. You can see it behind me, everything moving in the background because of all this wind. I'm standing here at an exit just off of Interstate 5 where the back part of this parking lot of a McDonald's burned over the weekend on Saturday. You can see that charred car there way in the back. We're next to an auto body shop where all of the cars in that parking lot have burned. This is some of the preliminary damage, and what we heard from eyewitnesses was their shock in just how fast those flames were moving. And so what we're hearing from fire officials over the weekend and from yesterday is that they are up against not only the massive acreage of fire this has already spanned, but also that wind. Take a listen.
More than anything, the firefighters are challenged with the strong winds. Some of those ridgetop gusts, according to the National Weather Service, and the crews on the ground are reaching up to 50 miles an hour and over 50 mile an hour gusts at the ridgetops. So you get that wind, and you get the wind in your eyes and your face, and it blows those ambers. So our ops chief was saying that they're getting some spots up to a mile. So that spot, like kind of at a campfire, you have a campfire, and imagine a gust of 50 mile an hour winds picks up those little ambers and it will throw it a mile away.
Now, flames first broke out at around 1:45 Saturday afternoon in Gorman, which is about 62 miles northwest of Los Angeles. Within hours, the fire spanned over thousands of miles, and by Sunday night, the fire had spread north into Ventura County. This fire is largely a brush fire. It's important to note that, but we do also want to say one commercial property was destroyed, 10 commercial properties are threatened, and 50 single-family residences are also threatened. Evacuation orders are now in place for areas west of Interstate 5, between Pyramid Lake and Gorman, including the Hungry Valley State Vehicular Recreation Area. Here's the fire official speaking more about those evacuation orders and warnings. Listen.
And that's exactly why we put the Castaic area here under a warning. We want people to know that we're taking this seriously. They need to be prepared with a go bag, their medications, their cars fueled up, ready to go, have a place to go to. If we have to do an evacuation order with the sheriffs, that will be in conjunction with all our law enforcement partners and CHP. We want to get people out sooner than later and get them out safely.
Fire officials going on to say they are fighting not just the heat here in this area, but also the wind and that terrain. And we know as the sun comes up, it is going to get even windier. Now, on our drive-in, we just got to Gorman, guys, but on our drive-in, we could see some of the flames from some of the hilltops as we were driving in. We know that that fire is there. We're going to be going into that area and looking for it a little bit more, a little bit closer, and we will bring you that live report later on this morning. Reporting live from Gorman, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.